Yo, what's up, Facebook family? Listen, I want to do a quick video talking about how to crack the YouTube algorithms using search engine optimization, aka SEOs, okay? This is something that I know a lot of content creators have been struggling with, so I'm going to break down steps that are going to help change your entire game. So the first important thing is, why would you consider SwiftTubes or paying attention or follow SwiftTubes? Here's why. I'll show you some of my accounts I've done, and I've not even promoted that much content. I'm not even considered a consistent content creator, but look at some of the results of my work, okay? We'll just start off with Facebook. So with Facebook, I got 8.5 followers, 2.1 million views. It's 1.1 million views. 982,000 views, 736,000 views, 400,000 views. Now my YouTube account, I have 1,005 followers, or I guess subscribers, with 99 videos. So far the most popular is 74,000 views. And I got one with 37,000 views, 16,000, 12,000, 7,000, 7,000, 5,000. And this is my second YouTube channel, which is my social work channel. This has my real name. You know, I'm a social worker, and I only have 11 videos, and I have 792 subscribers. I believe I've lost quite a few subscribers. And as you see, for only that amount, I have 2,000 views, 2,000, another one close to 2,000, 1.7 thousand views. And these are actually all the videos I have. So considering the lack of content, I'm not as consistent with content. I did produce quite a few results, both organically and promotion-wise. There are many different approaches for different platforms, so I'm gonna focus specifically on YouTube right now. In order to even know about search engine optimizations, you gotta understand what keywords means. Keywords are what terms people are using on Google and YouTube to search whatever interest they're looking for, right? So what would be an example of a keyword? For example, boxing. Boxing is a keyword that people tend to search on Google and YouTube. That's just one of many examples, right? So keep in mind, when you think of keywords, you're thinking about words that people are actually using and searching for in these major platforms like Google and YouTube. I'm going to show you exactly how to actually look for keywords. Since my content on YouTube is boxing that I'm using as an example, I'm going to show you how I generate keywords based on that. When looking for the strongest keywords in boxing, this is my process. So I look at the percentages, right? From 100%, which that means is the most popular base term that people are entering, right? So boxing near me or boxing tonight, these are like the top, I guess, keywords that people are using. But as I scroll down, I want to also show you, these are right now what seems to be on fire in terms of trending regarding boxing. If you go down, even look, Andrew Tate, this is like the percentages of how it will increase your visibility if you use these actual keywords in your video. But always make sure that you're picking keywords that are associated with your video. But basically, this is how it works, okay? So thumbnails is one of the steps that are very important when you're uploading content on YouTube. So always make sure that when you're doing videos, that the thumbnails, they're HD quality, you are using vibrant colors, and also, most importantly, using images that grab the attention of the person scrolling through videos. That's going to be extremely important when making your content. So don't title links. When you're making title links for your videos, they need to be short and punchy, get straight to the point. That's something that's very important. You don't want to have long titles, because that will definitely draw away the attention of people who are scrolling through content. So make sure that your titles are short and punchy, and keep in mind, try to add at least 1 or 2 keywords in your title. That's very, very critical regarding putting a video title in your content. Video tags are very, very important, okay? Video tags are the actual keywords you're going to be using. Now, at some point when you're getting prepared to upload your video, there is an option called video tags. You click on those video tags and you enter as many keywords as possible in those tags. It would be a good suggestion to add over 500 characters of keywords in your video tag section. That's the max length, and I think it's the best shot you have in increasing the optimization of your video. Video description is extremely important, and that basically describes what your video is about. You should not leave video descriptions empty in your video content. That's a big mistake. You want to give YouTube as much as data as possible, because that stuff also helps the algorithms and helps your content getting traffic. So you want to add as many keywords as possible in your video description. Now, the video description can hold up to 5,000. So when you're doing your description, you want to make sure that you're adding the first few sentences with all the targeted keywords possible in your video description. In the introduction of your video, you want, in 15 seconds, you want to be able to include at least 2 to 3 keywords in that introduction. All of this has a big effect in how you are able to get traffic organically into your YouTube. And then the next and final step that I want you to definitely start utilizing is hashtags. In YouTube, it takes about 1 or 2 hashtags. You don't need too many. That's not really good. Find the best hashtags possible and make sure that you're hashtagging your videos as well.